worksheets, get started. And I'm going to upload my worksheet. Now, what I did was I went ahead and scanned it with my phone. If you have an iPhone, if you go to your notes, you have a scanner. And this is a worksheet Ms. De Leon was interested in making interactive. So I'm going to choose my file, life cycle of a sunflower. I'm going to open it, upload. And here's my worksheet. Now to create the live worksheet for multiple choice, it's actually pretty easy. Let me just okay. So all you have to do is how do sunflowers grow? I'm going to make a box over each answer choice. And my boxes aren't coming up. Good. You make a box over each answer choice, and then in it, you're going to type select colons. Yes, since that's the correct answer. Select, and then the colons, no. Okay, once you've done your boxes and you've typed in select yes or select no, that's pretty much it. You're done with your form. So from there, you would click, oh, I'm going to save it. So once you're done with your form that you've done all your select yes, select no, you're going to save it, which is the little paper with the check mark. And then remember, if you take something from a workbook or like this test that someone else has already created, you can't make it public because it doesn't belong to you because of copyright issues. So you're going to click no, I want it private. I'm going to enter a title for it. The life cycle of a sunflower. I'm going to save it. And this is the link for it. So I'm going to go ahead and open my worksheet to see what it looks like. And this is where the kids would answer. How do sunflowers grow? They're going to grow from here. What will happen if the sunflower seeds do not get what they need? They will not sprout. And I'm just going to start picking answers. And then I click finish, check my answers, and the students will see their grade right there. And that's what they'll take a picture of and send to you. So this is one way to make it interactive if you have multiple choice. There's other ways for different kinds of worksheets, but this is how you would make a multiple choice worksheet interactive. And that's it.